got a Cummins KTA 600 engine in it. It's 1,150 cubic inches. It has a single turbocharger. It says Paul Riggle from Pennsylvania. Question you on that when we get done with this class. 1,150 cubic inches of KTA 600. Peterbilt classic base with the round headlights, the retro look. It's an 82, but Peterbilt had those round lights back in the 40s. Truck is called Something from Nothing. Turbochargers, 468 miles from home. They're known as built for business.
Have to get out somewhere.
In a 63 Mack quarry dump. Chuck, you own 3 of these? Have 3 of them. Got an NTC Cummins, 230 horsepower and 9-speed overdrive Fuller Road Ranger. This is one of 7 identical Brockways bought new by the state of New York. Brockway trucks were favored by the New York State Department of Transportation because Brockway trucks were manufactured in Cortland, New York until 1977 when the last one went down the line. Mechanical injected class. This is an NTC Cummins, a 230 horsepower. Single axle truck in the tandem class. Give a nice round of applause. Larger fleets ran these Emeryville cabover for a long time. This truck went on to become the Transtar 4000, and then it became the 4070A, the 4070B, and then it got a complete facelift and became the 9000 series. He's a very enthusiastic gentleman. He's just a nice man to talk to. So we're proud he's one of our own from right here in Argyle. Talk to you, doing it in the 6-speed transmission is accomplished through 2 shifting levers. Mac marries their auxiliary transmission into the main box, so underneath looks like one big transmission. Up in the cab, it's got 2 sticks. The 6-speed is kind of a unique rascal because the 5-speed's on one, and high, low, and reverse are on the 2nd stick. So you get 5 reverses. Farm and Garden, and on a Sunday afternoon, it'd give me great pleasure to let you look through all the junk I've managed to collect. What a beautiful R model Mac. Kind of tall. It was a real find. This is a very rare truck, and to find one that hasn't worked itself to death is amazing. Scott Shaw is on our crew here at the Big Rigs Pole. He's a fabricator up to Wing Truck and Trailer, his family business, one of this evening's sponsors. He's a gentleman to the max. We're really glad he's here. We're glad he's caught the truck collecting bug, because we need to save some of this old iron for future generations. 12 cylinders, 12B71, Detroit people. Nice job, Scott. Little Jeffrey riding shotgun right there. He's winner earlier. Give him a nice hand. Jason Goodson. Autocar DC64 model with an NTC 400 big cam Cummins and a Road Ranger. Matt Strainer from right here in Greenwich.